Hello everyone, welcome to day 2 of learning C language. Today we will discuss about operators in C language. Okay, what are operators? Operators are symbols that perform specific operations on variables and values. They are the building blocks of every C program. There are six types of operators in C. They are arithmetic operators, relational operators, logical operators, bitwise operators, assignment operators, increment and decrement operators. Okay. First of all, we will learn about arithmetic operators. What is arithmetic operators? These operators are used to perform basic mathematical operations. What did arithmetic operators do? As the name says, arithmetic means it performs all mathematical operations, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus. That means remainder. These are the all arithmetic operators. Used plus for addition operator to perform to add two variables. We use subtraction operator to subtract from one variable to another variable. And then we use multiplication operator to multiply two variables. And then we use division operator to divide numerator with denominator. And we use modulus operator to find the remainder. This is an example code that performs all arithmetic operators. Let me write this code in the compiler and let me run this program. First of all, I have to open the online C compiler. Program is online C compiler. And let me clear this one. Wait few seconds, this is loading. Just a minute. Operators are like building blocks of every C program. Okay, there is no program without using operators. Operators plays major role in these concepts. Okay, listen carefully and understand the topics. Let's do this example program for arithmetic operator. Open compiler and then let me create this one and then mm, int u a equals to 10 comma b equals to 20, and then I will print first one in arithmetic operators is addition, addition is just a second, and then I will print subtraction, that is a minus b, and then I will print multiplication, that is A into B, and then I'll print division, that is A divided by B, and then modulus, that is A percentage B. First I'll print that arithmetic operator. Operator. Okay, and then I will give slash n because it will go for new line. Let me run this now. Sorry, here I have to give semicolon. Okay, don't forget to give semicolon. You can see here arithmetic operators. Addition is 30, 10 plus 20, 30. Subtraction is 10 minus 20 minus 10. Okay, and then multiplication is 10 into 20, 200. Division is 0, and then sorry, here division you can give F, then you can get you can get correct one. Okay, division should be in like this. Okay, and then modulus is 10. Okay, remainder is 10. Okay, here you can write this program like this. Okay, this is the basic arithmetic operators program. Okay, and then next we go to another topic called relational operators. What is relational operators? These operators are used to compare two values. The result is either true, it means 1, or false, it means 0. Okay, do you understand what is relational operators? Relational operators is nothing but to compare two values. For example, if A value contain 10 and B 20, then we have to compare this A and B variables. So first of all, we compare whether the two variables contain same data or not. So that's why you use equals to. It will return false because 10 is not equals to 20. It returns false. And then we use not equals to. It returns true because 10 not equals to 20. Likewise, greater than, less than, greater than or equal. In relational operators, we have equals to check whether the two variables are equals to or not equals to check whether the two variables not equal to each other, and then we have to check greater than if one variable is greater than another or not, and then we have to check less than if the first variable is less than the second variable. Likewise, greater or equal relational operator, and less or equal relational operator. We have these 6 relational operators. Okay, let me write this program also. I will write this program. Just a second. This is not arithmetic operators. These are relational operators. Relational operators. And then here, first of all, I will check whether A equals to B or not. Okay, equals to B or not. And then in next line, I will check whether A not equals to B or not. A not equals to B. And then like that, you have to give, and then I will check what is the next relational operator in we have, that is greater than or less than. First one is greater than, that is a greater than b or not. I have to check this. Here I will give greater than symbol. Likewise, here now I have to check less than or not. A is less than b. Here I will give less than operator, and then I have to check greater than or equals to. So A is greater than or equals to B. Here I also have to give the operator is same, greater than or equals to. At next we have one balance thing, that is less than or equals to, that is uh, slash n, because it will come in new line, and then I have to check less than or equals to B, and then format specifier D, and then A is less than or equals to B. At last, semicolon. Let me run this program now. Here you can see that 0 means false, 1 means true. Here, see, you can see here, true means 1, false means 0. So based on this, we can check this output now. A equals to B, 0, it means false. Yes, false only, because 10 is not equals to 20, na? So false. And then A not equals to B, 1, it means true, because 10 is not equals to 20, so true. And then A greater than B, 0, it means false, because 10 is not greater than 20. Next one, A is less than B, 1, it means true, because A is less than B, 10 is less than 20. A is greater than or equals to B, 0, it means false, because A is less than 20, not 10 is less than 20, but here greater than equals to 20, so it is false, so output is 0. And then A is less than or equals to B, 1, it means true. Yes, because 10 is less than or equals to 20, so this is true. Likewise, these are all the relational operators. Okay, relational operators are used to compare two values. Okay, these are the relational operators. Okay, it returns either true or false. True means 1, false means 0. Okay, I hope you understand this. This is easy one. You should practice these programs, then only you will get more understand. Okay, you will get more clarity. And then next one is third one, logical operators. What are logical operators? These operators are used to combine two or more conditions. Okay. What are logical operators? These operators are used to combine two or more conditions. The operators are logical and the operator symbol is this one, and this one name is logical and. It means we have to check whether the both conditions are true. It will return true. Otherwise, it will return false, like that. And then logical not. Okay, it will return the opposite to the this condition. And one thing here I missed, I will mention it, that is nor. It means we have or and nor also. Or means either in this both condition, if one of the condition is true, then it will return true. Okay, in our condition, if the one condition is true, then it will return true. Okay, and this one you can see here. Okay, let me write this code, or else I will explain there. Go to compiler and let me clear this one. Let me run this one. First of all, see here. First one is hash include stdio.h. That is, this is preprocessor directive header files. Okay. and then int main. This is the entry level of the program main function, and then integer data type variables are a, b, c. A value is 10, and then b value is 5, and then c value is 15. Okay, and then here we are printing that if the both conditions are true, it means a is greater than b. Let us check first. 10 is greater than 5. This is correct. And then next condition, a is less than c. 10 is less than 15. So this is also correct condition. This is AND operator. AND operator means what? If that both two conditions are true, then it will return true. Here this one also true and this one also true. So what it will return? True it will return. So the output is 1. 1 means true. Okay. A is greater than B. Yes. 10 is greater than 5. A is less than C. 10 is less than 15. Both the conditions are true. So the output will be true. True means 1. False means 0. Here 1 is there. It means true. And go to next one. That is A is greater than B. 10 is greater than 5. Correct. And then A is greater than C. 10 is not greater than 15. Okay. This one is false. But this one is correct. Okay. Here we are using OR gate. It means in the two conditions, this is first condition, A is greater than B. This is true only. And then this is second condition, A is greater than C. This is false. Okay. 10 is not greater than 15. But in our operation, what is there? Any of these two conditions is true. One of the condition is true means either this one is true or this one is true. Any one condition is true means the output will be also true. So you can see here the output is 1. It means true because A is greater than B. Yes, 10 is greater than 5. A is greater than C. 10 is not greater than C. This one is false and this one is correct. By using this operator, if in the both condition, two conditions, any one condition true means it will return 1. So this condition is true. So it will return 1. That is true. Okay. And then go to next one. The condition is A less than B. This is not okay. Not A less than B. It means here A how much? 10. B is 15. This is not correct. Okay. And it will return 1 means this is used to opposite of the original result, so the output will be 1. Okay, likewise this is the example code for logical operators. And then we go to bitwise operators. Okay, what are bitwise operators? Bitwise operators work at the bit level. They are mainly used for low level programming. Okay, what are bitwise operators? Bitwise operators work at bit level and they are mainly used for low level programming, not high level programming. Bitwise operators are used for low level programming. Okay, this is the thing that you should don't forget. Okay, and then this is the operator. There are six bitwise operators. This is bitwise AND operator. This is bitwise OR operator. This is bitwise XOR operator. This is bitwise complement operator. This is left shift operator and this is right shift operator. Okay, these are the six bitwise operators. Let's see an example code for these bitwise operators. Okay, I will explain there each and every line. Okay, no issues. I will explain there. First of all, let me clear this previous code and then this is the bitwise operators code. Okay, Okay, no problem. Just a second. Okay, first line is hash include stdio.h preprocessor directive header file. Stdio.h means standard input and output, and then int main, that is main function entry level of the program, and then open bracket, here the actual code will be written. Okay, let's see the actual code. Here we declared the data type, that is int data type, and the two variables, that is 5 and 3. A equals to 5, B equals to 3. For 5, the binary value is 0101, and for 3, the binary value is 0011. Okay, by using these binary values, the bitwise operators work and give the result. Okay, don't forget that these are not based on these numbers. These are based on the values binary numbers. Okay, these are based on the values binary numbers. Don't forget that. And then the first bitwise operator, here we are using, okay, bitwise AND operator. First one, A and B. It means 0101 and 010011. Likewise, 11 means, and it will return true. Okay, here you can see the result here. Don't forget, here you can see the result. Okay, and then here the second operator is bitwise operator is bitwise OR operator. Here we use XOR operator. Okay, no issues. It is the bitwise XOR operator. Okay, just a second. Here in the second one is bitwise OR operator. Okay, you can see here the OR operator, bitwise OR operator. Just a second. This is the bitwise OR operator, that is like a straight line. The operator symbol is modulus, like that straight line. Here we are mentioning percentage %d because integer data type. The format specifier should be d, and slash n because to print the output in the new line without mixing the all outputs. And we are giving the original what we need. Here we will give the binary value of a is 0101, and the binary value of 3 is 0011. Here when we calculate, what will be the result? 10111 101 101 001 00, it will be 0. So the output will be 0111. Okay, here is the output. Okay, you can see here. And then the next bitwise operator is bitwise XOR operator. Okay, the next one is bitwise XOR operator, that is this one, this symbol. Okay, don't forget that. Keep in mind for particular bitwise operators. The third line is bitwise XOR operator, bitwise XOR operator. Here also same bitwise XOR operator, that symbol, and percentage %d for int data type, format specifier, and slash n for new line output. And then the binary number of 5 is 0101, and the binary number of 3 is 0011. And in the calculation we get 0 and then 1 and then 1 and then 0. So the output is here, you can see. The next one is not, okay, bitwise complement, that is also called as the opposite. So bitwise complement. Okay, here we have given a complement of a, and then percentage d for integer for format specifier, slash n for new line output, and the complement of a, and the complement of a is minus 6. Okay, these two are inverting bits, that is left side shift and right side shift. Here you can see first one is left side shift, a left 1 percentage d format specifier slash n new line output, a left shift 1. So what will be the output? The output will be 10. You should practice this question. These are bit complex, so that you can do practice. Then only you will get the correct one, correct output. Okay. And then the second one is left right shift. Okay. A right 1 slash uh, modulus d, because integer data type, slash n new line, a right shift 1, that is 2. Okay, I hope you understand these bitwise operators as well. This is an example code, you should practice that. Okay, don't forget to practice. And then we go to next topic, that is assignment operators. Okay, what are assignment operators? These operators assign values to variables. There are 6 assignment operators that are equals to, means it assign variable. For example, here a equals to b means, for example, a equals to 10, it means 10 is assigned to the a. So here we will use equals to operator to assign the data, first assignment operator. And the second assignment operator is plus equals to, it means add and assign. First it will add and then it will assign. Here you can see the example, a plus equals to b. And then third one is minus equals to, it means subtract and assign. It means a minus equals to b. And then multiply equals to, it means multiply and assign. First it will multiply and then it will assign. Here a multiply equals to b, it means first it will a multiply a into b and then it will assign the value to the a. Okay, and then divide and assign, it means first it will divide and then it will assign the value. For example, here a divide and assign b. Okay, and then modulus and assign, first it will do modulus and then it will assign. Here you can see an example, a modulus equals to b. Here is an example code for assignment operators. I will uh, explain this code in compiler by running it. Okay, let me go to compiler first and let me clear the previous code and our new code. This code is for assignment operators. Okay, first one, I will explain line by line code, so that you will get understanding more clarity, you will get more clarity. Let me run this first. Okay, first line, hash include stdio.h, this is preprocessor directive header file. Stdio means standard input and output header file. Okay, and then int main, this is the entry level of the program main function, and then open bracket, and from here the actual code starts. Okay, and then int data type, that is a equals to 10, b equals to 3. It means integer data type, we are assigning, we are giving two variables, that is a variable and b variable. A variable equals to 10 and b variable equals to 3. Okay, a equals to 10 and then b equals to 3. This is assigning operator, means here we assign the value 10 to the a and value 3 to the b variable. This is the assignment operator. And then add and assign operator, it means first it will add a plus b and then it will assign the value to the a. Okay, 10 plus 3 13, then a equals to 13, so the output will be c 13. And then go to next one, a minus equals to b. It means a subtract and assign operator. Okay, first it will subtract a minus b, and then the value is assigned to the variable a. So first is a minus b, 10 minus 3, like that, 7, and then it will assign to the a variable. Okay, and then we go to a multiply assign b. It means it will do first multiplication, and then the value is assigned to a. It means 10 into 3, 30. So a will be 30. And then the next one is divide and assign. Okay, first it will divide a with b, and then the value is assigned to variable a. Okay, uh, here so these four, this total 5, this is assignment operator, simple one. These are the outputs for these operators. You can practice this program so that you'll understand clearly. Okay, don't forget. Okay, please practice this program so that you will get more understanding. Okay, I will also give practice questions. And then our next topic is increment and decrement operators. What are increment and decrement operators? These operators are used to increase or decrease a variable's value by 1. It means, for example, if some variable called a have something value, some value, this increment operator, increment means plus, decrement means decreasing, it means minus, increment means increase, plus, decrement means decrease, minus, like that you have to keep in mind. Okay, these operators are used to increase or decrease a variable's value by 1, only 1. It means if you use increment operator, the value will increase by 1. If you use decrease operator, the value will decrease 1, like that. This is increment operator plus plus, and this is decrement operator minus minus. In these operators, increment and decrement, we have pre and post. Pre means before, post means after. Pre increment means plus plus a. A is a variable. So pre increment means, pre means before. So plus plus a. And then just a second. Just a second. This is subtract and assign. These are completed. We are did this, and this is pre increment, and this one is post increment. A plus plus. This is before means pre increment. After means post increment. Okay, and then minus minus means decrement. Decrement operator. Decrement operator have pre and post. Pre decrement means before decrement, that is minus minus a. Post decrement means a minus minus. It means after. So a minus minus. These are all about the increment and decrement operators. Let's see an example code for increment and decrement operators. Okay, let me explain this in C compiler. Okay, and I will explain now. First of all, the first line is hash include studio.h, stdio.h. It means this is preprocessor directive, and this is also called as header file. Stdio.h means this is standard input and output header file. Okay, int main means main function, the entry level of the program, and then int data type variable a equals to 10 means integer data type, we are assigning value a of 10. Here we are assigning a value a the value is 10 assigned to the variable a. Okay, and then we are printing first one is pre-increment. It is before increment plus a. So 10 will be increased with one value. So the output will be 11. And then post increment. We are printing post increment. It means it print after the. So a plus plus 10 is increased by 1. So the output will be 11. Post increment 11. And then after post increment, it means post increment is 11. After post increment, we are printing the value. It will be 11 plus 1. It will be 12. After post increment, the answer will be 12. And then pre decrement, it will decrease the value by 1. It means so 11. 11 minus 1 will be, sorry, 12. After post increment, the value is 12. Here you can see this. After minus a means 12 minus 1. The value is decreased by 1. The output will be, pre-decrement will be 11. Okay. And then post decrement. The value is decreased by value 1. But post means a minus minus. Uses first it will use and then decrease. Okay. And then after post decrement means again decrement. It means 11 minus 1 again. So the output will be 10. This is an example program for the increment and decrement operators. I hope you understand these all 6 types of operators. Okay. At last, what we have, these are the practice questions that you should practice so that you will get more clarity. First one, write a program to perform all arithmetic operations using two variables, same as the first program which I have explained. See, two variables, they are saying two variables and perform all arithmetic operations, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus. Same this program only, practice that question. Okay, don't forget. And the second one is create a program to check if a number is greater than another number using a relational operator. It means first of all create two variables and check, for example, a equals to something, b equals to some value. Check that, it means compare the two values which is greater than another number or not, like that. This program, this is also a simple one. And then third one is write a program to demonstrate the use of logical operators with three conditions. Okay, I have also explained this same type of question in logical operators section. You can refer that and write this, practice this question. Okay, and then this is write a program to find the result of a left shift to and right shift to for a equals to 8. Here we have explained that this concept also, that is left shift and right shift in the above concept. You can refer that and you can do this practice question. Okay, and then next practice question is write a program to calculate the result of a plus equals to 5 and a multiply equals to 3, where a is initialized to 4. Okay, a equals to 4 first of all, and then it will do add and assign operator, and then it will do multiply and assign operator. It means 4 plus 5 9, a will be 9, and then 4 into 3 12. So a equals to 12, like that. You have to do this program, very simple one. Do this also. And then last practice question is experiment with the pre-increment and post-increment operators in a program and print their effect. This is like, for example, take one variable a equals to 10, as I explained in the before program. Pre-increment means plus plus a. Post-increment means a plus plus. Like that, do this program. This is also a simple one. Practice these questions. Let's do a quick recap of what we have learned today. Today, day 2 of learning C language, we learnt about what are operators in C. Operators are symbols that perform specific operations on variables and values. They are the building blocks of every C program. Types of operators in C. There are 6 types of operators in C. They are arithmetic operators, relational operators, logical operators, bitwise operators, and assignment operators, and increment and decrement operators. These are the six types of operators in C. And also explained each operator detailed way with an example program also. Arithmetic operators are used to perform basic mathematical operations. They are addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and modulus. This is an example code for arithmetic operators. Okay. And then we have learnt about relational operators. These operators are used to compare two values. The result is either true or false. If the result is true means it will return 1. 1 means true. If the result is false means it will return 0. 0 means false. The relational operators are, there are 6 types of relational operators. They are equals to, not equals to, greater than, less than, greater or equal, less or equal. And we have also explained this example code for relational operators also. Okay. And then what we have learned, the third one is logical operators. These operators are used to combine two or more conditions. They are logical AND operator, OR operator, NOT operator, like that. And I have also explained this example code also. Okay. And then we have learnt about bitwise operator. What is bitwise operator? Bitwise operators work at the bit level. They are mainly used to low level programming. Okay. Bitwise operators are mainly used for low level programming. There are 6 types of bitwise operators: bitwise AND operator, bitwise OR operator, bitwise XOR operator, bitwise complement operator, left shift, and right shift. Okay, these are the examples you can see here, and this is the example code for bitwise operators. By doing this example code, you will get totally understand about all bitwise operators. And then we have learnt about assignment operators. What are assignment operators? These operators assign values to variables. I also explained in a detailed way with an examples also. This is assign equals to means assigning, add and assign means plus equals to, minus equals to means first subtract and then assign, multiply equals to means first multiply the values and then assign, divide and equals to means first divide and then assign, modulus and equals to means first do module and then assign. This is an example code for this particular assignment operators. This is an example code which covers all uh, operators. Okay. And then we have learnt about increment and decrement operators. These operators are used to increase or decrease a variable value by 1. Plus plus means this is the increment operator. Minus minus means this is the decrement operator. In these operators, we have two types: pre and post. Pre means before, post means after. Pre means plus plus a, post means a plus plus after. And I have also explained this is an example code for increment and decrement operator. At last, I have given some practice questions. Do these practice questions so that you will get more clarity. Okay, thank you.